Hello everyone, welcome back to Rpa Automation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve important interview questions. These questions asked so many times during the Automation Anywhere interview or Power Automotive interview, or you can see UiPath interview also. So this question is very important. So question is how we can remove duplicate value or duplicate character from the string variable. So we can solve this question in today's session. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more videos related to RPA interview. Either it will be Power Automate, either it will be Automation Anywhere or UiPath. So please subscribe channel or hit the bell icon to get latest update to our channel. So interviewer will ask you to assign variable, a string variable. It will be string variable or you can say number variable also. So assign, and here it will ask you to give some duplicate number. So 1122, like that number you have to assign in that variable and give any name like str input. You can give this name. And second step is we need to get length from this variable. How many values we have put in this variable. So get length using text manipulation. Under the string package, take length action. Assign here our input variable, and it will give you a number input. So this action, using this action, you can get all our values length. And this length variable we are going to use inside of loop. So take a loop action, and we are going to iterate our loop using our length variable and assign one counter variable. And we are going to take one by one values which is giving our loop variable. So for that we need to use substring action. Using substring action we can get one by one value or one by one you can say character which is available inside of variable. So give here source string. Source string is str input, and we can start our we can start from counter, and length we are going to extract 1 and assign here our character variable. So character 1, and inside of loop again we need to use again one loop. We are going to use nested loop here. Same thing we have to do here again. Number input, and again create one counter one variable to compare our values, how many times it will iterate, and how many times duplicate value will be available in our str input variable. So again we have to use substring action. Give here our counter 1, length will be 1, and here assign our str character 2. And again we need to use assign. I'm sorry, we need to use if condition to validate our data. We are dealing with the string condition. So first we need to use our str string 1. We are going to compare this. This should be not equal to our comma. If this condition is true, then again we need to assign one variable. And here we can pass value character 1, give here output variable, and that variable we need to assign again in here. Again, we need to use replace condition. Give our source string. Source string will be str input. Find string will be character 1. Do not match case, not a regular expression, and replace with comma and assign str output. Sorry, input. Str input. So let's test this code using message box. This action should be let's test str output. So we are going to test. So I am sharing this question using my personal experience, guys. I am not listening anyone's suggestions. I am sharing these questions which is asked during my personal interview. So I want to share these things with all of you because these things is going to help with you if you are going to learn automation anywhere, if you are having planned to attend any RPA related interview. So these things will be helpful you. So so you can see, guys, we can get our expected output also. So using these things or this logic, you can solve these interview questions during the your interview. So we can assign here our string string variable also like this. So I have assigned here so many duplicate character, and we can expect output removing all duplicate character. So we can test our flow to check our expected output. What will be the expected output? So you can see, guys, we have achieved our expected output. So if you like this video, if you want to get more updated video related to RPA interview or any automation anywhere, Power Automate and UI path related interview questions, you want to get update or solution, so please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So